Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with a really quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so this time I will be showing you how to come out of download mode. So if your device is stuck in download mode, you might be trying to figure out how to actually come out of download mode. So guys, it's real simple to do. All you're gonna do is hold down the volume down button here. So hold down volume down button and also the power button. So you're going to hold down those two buttons here, volume down and power. So let's go ahead and try it. So volume down and power. Just hold it down for more than 7 seconds. And then the phone will reboot. Or if it doesn't reboot, just simply press the power button to power it back on. And we are now out of download mode and back into the UI of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If this helped you out, you already know what to do, guys. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.